Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with Lifetime Fitness, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your membership with Lifetime Fitness, start by logging into your online account. Visit the Lifetime Fitness website and click on the sign in button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section. Look for the option labeled Manage Membership. Click on Cancel Membership or a similar prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions provided for cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. After submitting your cancellation request, you should receive a confirmation email. If you do not have online access, you can call the customer service number listed on the website. Request to cancel your membership during the call. Have your membership details handy for verification. If you prefer, you can also visit your local Lifetime Fitness location. Speak with a staff member at the front desk regarding your cancellation. Make sure to ask for confirmation of your cancellation in writing. Review any final charges or fees that may apply before the cancellation is finalized. Keep a record of all correspondence and confirmation notices for your records. And that's it. Your membership cancellation process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.